yesterday's game just proved to me that Wolves are actually currently on promo. Wolves is a promo club at the moment. They are dashing out 3 points for free. 3 points for free. I said it in my match. Wolves are dashing out 3 points for free. They even proved it because we couldn't even score. They gave us 2 own goals yesterday. Because we couldn't score, they gave us 2 own goals yesterday. The 2 goals we scored were own goals now. We couldn't score. We said we don't want to win yesterday. We decided that okay, yesterday was the day we decided not to win. And Wolves decided to say we are on promo this season. Don't worry yourself. We are currently giving promos to every club in this season. 3 points for grab. And they gave us 2 own goals. That's what I'm saying. How we doing, guys? Welcome back to another match review for the game between Arsenal versus Wolves that took place yesterday. Another frustrating game for me to watch. Like it was a frustrating game to watch. Like despite the fact that we won 2-1 yesterday, I wasn't too impressed with the performance. Like the players looked confused. The players looked like they ran out of ideas. They didn't know what to do. Like, and the fact that the game was so easy, like on paper, to be honest, on paper the game was so easy. I don't know if that was the reason why they felt like that. If they started playing like that, I don't understand. Like the game was so it was so frustrating as a fan watching that and expecting like there's something about Arsenal and December. I don't know what is with Arsenal and December. There's this relationship between Arsenal and December that doesn't seem right to me, because every season when it comes to December, there's this annoying performance that we tend to bring into the picture. I think we lose most of our games every season in December. Most of our downfall every season comes in December. I don't know why, because even I think the year we almost what is with Arsenal in December, but at the end of the day, I'm very happy we got the win at the end. Like, it would have been a crazy one. It would have been a crazy one. Like, imagine us drawing to that game, drawing to yesterday. Man City will just go and destroy Crystal Palace today. That Man City will just go and destroy Crystal Palace today, because it was annoying to watch. Like, you needed to win. This is one of the easiest games you've got in the morning. This is one of the easiest games we've got in the morning. That's why the fact that Wolves have played at 2 points all season. Like this is how do we then win? I don't understand this. tend to like actually they tend to have a like, I don't know if they have a break like they get confused. Now they start to pass side this side, so they breaking a low block team. They don't know how to break a low block. I don't know, like it's just like we know this problem has been our problem for years, and we're still yet to solve our problem. When everybody was saying we need to buy a striker, that's not a problem. It's at the task problem. It's like our problem is the creativity. We don't have that player that can just cheat, that can just do something out of nothing, that can be growing out that player. That's why we have to do every season. They were coming up against teams like this because everything we do, they come against Man City, pack the balls, and Man City tend to find a way because they had those maverick players like the De Bruyne, they had the players like what's it called, Bernardo Silva at the time, and they had what's this guy's name, David Silva, who could just create something out of nothing, and they had a striker and Gabriel at that time, they would just dribble past one or two players, and that Gabriel type of player is Jesus, but Jesus is not fit. Your Torres, when we signed your Torres, I was excited when we signed your Torres because of the squad for that game. These games like this is like games like why we signed your Torres. But he's not been able to take it because he's not that type of player. He's a striker that you just give the ball, backs to on shoots. That's the type of striker. It's not that type of striker that will do to pick up the ball, dribble one pass, one quickly. No, he's not that type of striker. He relies on supplies. He's that striker that relies basically on supplies. It's not that striker that will come in and just decide the game. And when he came in and when he got that number 14 shirt, I don't think that number 14 shirt suits him because number 14 shirt suits someone that plays like a Thierry Henry. You know, Thierry Henry was not that striker that relies on supply. He comes in, he makes his own chances. So he's a number 9. He should have gone for that number 9 jersey. Although Jesus had number 9 actually, maybe that's why he didn't go. That's not an issue. I'm just a bit frustrated with the jersey. Like you definitely right. New back was that was not going like it used to be. Like we just like the energy wasn't going well. Wasn't really so lethargic. Like we wasted that first half. I think we had 0 shot on target that first half. Gabriel Martinelli had a free header on goal. He couldn't even score. It was annoying to watch. It was really, really annoying to watch. I don't know what happened here because Arsenal in December. I don't know what it was with Arsenal in December. Like it's something related between the relationship between Arsenal and December. And also when I saw the lineup on the beginning, I think that starting. I saw Saliba starting. I was excited. Why is my news getting started? That's what it was. To me, that's what the whole team. That's what he lost the shape. I think he's overthinking it now. He's beginning to overthink it now. Because like you have Saliba back. Why did you not start back? Why did that be? I don't understand that formation. Why not go with Saliba and Gabriel, Miles Lewis Kelly, and Timber instead of White? I know he's trying to play like those Timber White has been like White has been very, very good. I think he's just trying to reward him. That's why I feel like he's just trying to reward him for his give back for whatever the past. Not dropping him. Like I think he's got it because I felt harsh for any side to bench Saliba, but it didn't work to bench Gabriel White in that game. But it didn't work because like and when that injured again, I don't know injury this season again. Injury. To be honest, that game was sick. Like that game was sick. As soon as they equalized, not the funny thing, as soon as they equalized, I just stood up. I was about to go get I was about to switch off that TV. As I was about to switch that TV, like I was literally about when it got to that, I said, okay, let me just see what they would do. As soon as they just closed that bar, they scored. I was about switching off the team. That's when Jesus left that second game. I was so like you know that feeling where you just feel sick in the game. Because as soon as they scored, we started going back. We started defending, back in the box, like most. cannot win this league this season. We don't have that mentality to win this league. We don't have that mentality to win this league. Yet, nah, Mikel Arteta needs to do more. There's something Mikel Arteta needs to do, right? You cannot go on and win the league like this. Nah. I cannot play. You can't go on and win the league like this. For me, after we scored that goal, few minutes after we scored that goal, when your started having those chances, I think when Trossard came in, because Emirates game changed. Because he started giving those goals, like there's a way your Emirates play. That's the problem. We have to play the way he plays when he succeeds. We have to play the way he plays to succeed. For him to succeed, sorry. Because if we play the way we are playing, your Emirates will still suffer. When Trossard came in, he started giving him those balls into the channels. He started playing those passes into the channel. He had a chance whereby, I can't remember that chance whereby he spin the defender and he had that shot off. And I think that, I felt like, to me, I felt like that was a goal when I saw it first. That was a very good chance by young Forest that he gave him that ball, he spin the defender. That was the first time I've seen young Forest do that in an Arsenal team. And that chance he had was the type of chance he used to score when he was in supporting his own. But as soon as he took off young Forest and brought him, something that happened, I don't know what happened. The threat was not there again. I do not understand that. The threat was not there again. Because one thing young Forest gives, there's this fear factor, even if he's not playing well, there's this fear factor that he gives to that defender because he pushed them back. He pushed them into their own pool. He doesn't allow them to. When Gyökeres is in the team, he takes 2 man out originally. When Gyökeres is in the team, he takes 2 man out automatically. That's the 2 defenders. Because he's always on them, he's always in between them. And so they don't have anywhere to go. So now, when Gyökeres is in the team, naturally Gyökeres takes out 2 players out. So that's why those times when we play with Gyökeres in the team tend to find it difficult to attack us because now they've got Gyökeres in the wings. Now they've lost an extra man in that defense because they are focusing on Gyökeres. That was what happened. As soon as Gyökeres left that game, as soon as Gyökeres came out of that game, you notice we lost the grip in the game somehow. We couldn't play the way we used to play again. Somehow. People saying Gyökeres is not good enough. That is what he brings to the team. He is doing his own part. For me, there were times Gyökeres was making those runs. The passes were not coming through. I saw it. There were times I saw Gyökeres making that move to be made with the pass with the ball. He couldn't make those passes. Easy sometimes with the ball. He couldn't make those passes. Like Gyökeres is going to suffer in this team. I've said it before in one of my first clips. There are runs that guy is actually making that will not play. That's why I said we need to play him. What he's doing for the team, first of all, attacking wise, he's helping us. He's helping the team being 2 defenders to him, right? Letting our wingers have opportunity. Martinelli didn't take advantage of that. If Saka took advantage of that, because Saka was making his man constantly. They were consistently whipping ball into the 18. To me, I just feel like to be honest, I don't know how much this thing like. There's nothing positive to pick up from that game. I just tried to create something positive from that game because it's so annoying to see that we couldn't break moves down. It's so annoying that we couldn't break moves down. We couldn't break moves down. I don't want that game, like the 3 points out of Man City. Man City go on to Crystal Palace, win their game, and we're already back to square one because it's just 2 points. Man City might go to crucify Crystal Palace. That's the kind of thing that happen. Maybe that are later push their minds. reaction for the game between Arsenal and Wolverhampton, which was the first frustrating win yesterday, sickening win actually. But at the end of the day, we got the job done, got the 3 points again. Very, very positive for us on that side. And to me, the title race is still on, but we cannot continue to play like this and expect to win the game. To me, no. We cannot expect to continue to play like this and expect to win the game. And that's my match preview for the game, match reaction for the game between Arsenal and Wolverhampton. And see you after this one. I think we've got a long week, week off. I think there's no game during the week. This week I think we've got a week rest. So and then games against Everton. Play like this again. I dare you to play like this against Everton. See what happens. Alright, see you later. Thank you. Come on, you Gunners.